When I open my Gmail, it shows that you will receive an email on September 26th. If you have the same problem as me, let's see how to fix it. Open the Google Photos app. Click on the profile icon. Go to Photos Settings. Click on Backup. Turn off Backup now. Now open the Gmail app. Click on the profile icon. Click Manage your Google account. Click on Payments and Subscriptions. Now click on Account Storage. Click on Clean Up Space. Click on Google Photos. Select unnecessary videos and images. Now delete all unnecessary videos. Here you can see that some space has been freed up from my Gmail storage. Now go to the Gmail app again. If it still appears, reload the page. See, the problem is now fixed.